Good morning, children. So I hope you have completed your yesterday's homework. So I gave you homework in the greater and smaller number. Yesterday I gave you homework in the greater and smaller number. Did you complete that page? I told you to complete this page. Have you completed this, children? Yes, I think that you have completed. So now I'll give you two sums. You have to do it. See here. You have to compare it and tell me which is the greater number. So see here. So tell me what is this number? 2727. 2727. Okay. Now see here. Next number is 1818. 1818. Okay. So now now you have to compare which is the greater number. ரெண்டு நம்பர் கொடுத்திருக்கு, எது பெரிய நம்பர்னு நீங்க கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So you have to compare the two numbers. Okay. So do this in your rough note. ஒரு rough note வச்சுக்கோங்க. Rough noteல இதை செய்யுங்க. Okay. You do this in your rough note. So 2727 and 1818. So two numbers are given. How will you compare? See here. See the tens place. Which number is there? 2. So in the tens place, 2 is there. So here in the tens place, which number is here? 1. So 2 is bigger or 1 is bigger? Which number is bigger? ரெண்டு பெருசா ஒன்னு பெருசா? 2. So 2727 is the greater number. Greater number na பெரிய number. Greater number. Okay. Next, see here. Same number. I'm going to give you the same numbers. See here. See here. See carefully. You have to do this also. See here. 3, 3. What is this number? 3, 3, 33. Now see here. 3, 9, 39. Okay, children. See here. 3, 3, 33 and 3, 3, 3, 9, 39. So you have to find out which is the greater number. Find out which is the smaller number. Okay. So find out which is the smaller number. So first see the tens place. Both the numbers are 3. ரெண்டு 3 இருக்கு, சேமா இருக்கிறதுனால you now see the ones place. Ones placeல இங்க 3 இருக்கு, ones placeல இங்க 9 இருக்கு. So which is the smaller number? 3 சின்னதா 9 சின்னதா? 3. So 3333 is the smaller number. So smaller number, bigger number கண்டுபிடிக்க தெரியணும். Okay, children. So next we are going to see the next page, numbers book, page number 29. Okay, this we have already learned. So we have already learnt this. See here, after and before numbers. So we have done many sums in this after and before numbers. So see here, write the number that comes after the given number. See here, see the first sum in page number 29. 2121 is given, and next the dash is given here. See here, children, what is this number? 2121. Next there is a dash. Then means after number. இதுக்கு அடுத்த நம்பரை நீங்க எழுதணும். 21க்கு அடுத்த நம்பர் எழுதணும். So which number will come after 21? 2222. Okay, 2222. Next sum, see here, 2323 and dash is there. So which number will come after 2323? 2424. Okay, 2424. So you already know to do this before and after numbers. After number is very easy. So see here, you have to complete this page fully. Do the before and after numbers. Now first is after number, next is before number. Please write the number that comes before the given number. See here. So before number. See here, children. Now see. Now read the number. See, an apple is there. Okay, now inside that apple, what number is written? 3, 5, 35. See here, children. Inside the apple, what number is written? 3, 5, 35. So before, அதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஒரு dash போட்டிருக்கு. இதுல வந்து என்ன நம்பர் எழுதல. So you have to write this number. Okay, children, நீங்க இந்த நம்பர் எழுதணும். So how will you write the number? 3, 5, 35. 35 க்கு முன்னாடி what number will come? 3, 4, 34. Okay, so 5 க்கு முன்னாடி 4 வரும். See here in the ones place ல 5 இருக்கு. ஓகேமா, ones place ல 5 இருக்கு. So 5 க்கு முன்னாடி 4 தான் வரும். So 3, 4, 24. Okay, next is see here. Here, what is this number, children? 2929. What is this number? 2929. So you have to write the before number. இதுக்கு முன்னாடி உள்ள நம்பர். அப்ப 9க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன வரும்? So 9க்கு ones placeல 9 இருக்கு. ones placeல. So 9க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன வரும்? 8. So 28, 28. 28, 28. Next பாருங்க. See here. Next, see here, 2, 3, 23. 2, 3, 23. இப்போ ones placeல என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கு? See in the ones place 3 இருக்கு. So before 3, 3க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன வரும்? 2. So 2, 2, 22. 2, 2, 22. So you have to complete this full page. Before number, after number, and before number. This is your homework. Today's homework in numbers book. Okay, now next we'll go to the revise. We'll revise the parts of the computer. So we are going to revise the parts of the computer. So see this picture. So it is like a TV screen. So what is this, children? It is a monitor. What is this? Monitor. Okay, see here is a box. So tell me, what is this? Parts of the computer. CPU. What is this? CPU. Next, see here. So there are many keys here in this for typing. So what is this? It is a keyboard. Keyboard. Keys நிறைய இருக்குல்ல type பண்றதுக்கு. It is a keyboard. Now see here, what is this? CD போடுறது. CD-ROM drive. Okay, CD-ROM drive. Okay, now see here, what is this? So see here, where is the mouse? Tell me, where is the mouse? Inga mouse enga irukku? Mouse, see here, here is the mouse. Okay, now where is the CD? See, you know to find the CD. So this is the CD. Now see here, what is this? This is the printer. Printer. What is this? Printer. Print ஆகி வெளியே வருதுல்ல? Printer. This is the scanner. Scanner. And what is this, children? This is the floppy. Okay, so these are the parts of the computer. Okay, now tell me, where is the mouse? See, where is the mouse? Yes, here is the mouse. This is the CD. And what is this? Floppy. What is this? Printer. This is the scanner. These are the parts of the computer. Okay, children, these are the parts of the computer. And you have to complete this page. See, here is a computer is here. I hope that you have completed. So if you have not completed this coloring this computer, you color this computer. Okay, children. So if you haven't done this, mudikalanna, you color this computer. Okay. Now next. See, children, have you gone to a mall? Mall na enaduma? So today we are going to learn about the neighborhood place. Next place is the mall. Mall. Have you gone? Neighborhood. Neighborhood place. Next place we are going to see about the mall. Okay, children. So mall. What is a mall? So in the mall. So have you gone to Phoenix Mall in Chennai? Chennai la Phoenix Mall போயிருக்கீங்களா? ஸோ அங்க என்னென்ன நிறைய பெரிய பெரிய ஷாப்ஸ், தியேட்டர்ஸ், ஹோட்டல்ஸ் எல்லாமே அதுல இருக்கு. ஸோ அதே மாதிரி இந்த மால்ல என்னெல்லாம் இருக்குன்னு நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் அ மால், neighborhood place. Next we are learning about the mall. And see here, now see the picture. See the picture carefully. Okay, you open your book, keep it ready. Now see here, what is this? Okay, now see here, what is this shop? There are many shops here. So see here, can you see many shops here? Yes, so this is a garment shop. Garment shop, துணி கடை இருக்குலாமா, garment shop. Okay, now next what do you see? Sports shop. For sports items and all you can buy here. So sports shop. First is the garment shop, next is the sports shop. Okay, garment shop, sports shop. Next, grocery items. Grocery items, we are buying the grocery items in this shop, grocery shop. Okay, வீட்டுக்கு தேவையான சமையல் பண்றதுக்கெல்லாம் தேவையானது வாங்குவாங்கல்ல. So grocery shop. What is it? Grocery shop. Next, what do you see? Jewels. நகையெல்லாம் வாங்குவீங்கல்ல. So this is a jewelry shop. Okay, jewelry shop. Okay, see here children, in the mall, in this mall, many big shops are there. And first you are going to see, what is this? Garment shop. Garment shop. Next, what do you see? Sports shop, for buying the sports things. Okay, sports shop. And next, grocery shop. Okay, what is this? Grocery shop. And here last one is the jewelry shop, for buying the jewels. Okay, now see here, what is this? There is a lift here. So there is a lift for going. So it is an elevator. What is this children? Elevator. Okay, elevator. And what do you find here? Many books are there, no? So it is a bookshop. What is this children? Bookshop. Okay, bookshop. And what is this children? It is a play zone. Play zone for children's, for play. Okay, so see here, bookshop, elevator, and play zone. Okay, now next, see here in the last bar, see here, what do you see here? Here a cinema hall is there, a theater is there. Okay, cinema hall. What is this? Cinema hall. And what do you see here? Food zone. Food items are sold here. It is a food zone. Food zone. Okay, and many customers are there. See here, many people are sitting and many people are walking here and there. நடந்துட்டு போறாங்க. Many people are walking here and there. Many people are sitting and eating. So they are the customers. Who are they? Customers. Who are they children? Customers. Okay, now see here, what is this? Escalator. So have you seen this? Escalator. Okay, and see here, this is a lobby. Okay, help desk. Okay, these are the things which you see in a mall. Okay, now we are going to see the people and the things which you see in a mall. Okay, so see here, first what do you see here? Lift is here. Lift eduma, elevator. Lift la perkingalla, elevator. Okay, repeat, elevator. Okay, next what is here? See here, garment shop. What is this children? Garment shop. Okay, next what do you see here? It is a sports shop. What is this children? Sports shop. Okay, next what do you see here? Grocery shop. What do you see here children? Grocery shop. And here what do you see? It is a jewelry shop. Jewelry shop. Okay, now see here, many books are there. No, what is this? This is a bookshop. Okay, bookshop. Okay, next what is it? It is a play zone. Okay, now see here, here you can see an elevator, and here you can see an escalator. Escalator. Okay, here a theater is there, cinema hall. What is this children? Cinema hall. Okay, and where, see here, food items are sold here. Food zone. What is this? Food items are sold here children. Many people are buying and they are sitting and eating. No, this is a food zone. Okay, food zone. And many people are walking here and there. They are the customers, walking here and there, sitting, and they are the customers. Okay, What is this? Who are they? They are the customers. This is the lobby and this is the help desk. Okay, these are the things and the people you find in the mall. Okay, so in the mall you can get all the things in one place. So all the things we can purchase in one place, and that is a mall. Okay, children. Okay, so you have to see the picture. Picture பார்த்து என்னென்ன இருக்குன்னு சொல்லணும். You have to say it's a grocery shop, it's a sports shop, it's a jewelry shop. Where is a jewelry shop means you have to show to me. Like that you have to find out and point out and tell what are the shops there. Okay, okay, you study this. And now, what are the two-letter words we learned yesterday, children? What are the two-letter words we learned yesterday? So what are the two-letter words, children? We learned yesterday. What is this letter, children? Tell me. This is a small letter O. What is this letter? It is a small letter O. So O-F, off. O-F, off. Okay, next see here. This is the same O and O-N, on. O-N, on. Next, what letter? This is a small letter O. This is a small letter R. O-R, or. O-R, or. Next small letter O-X, ox. O-X, ox. Okay, children. So these are the two-letter words we learned yesterday. I gave you homework for one page. One page I gave you homework. Okay, did you complete the homework? Page number 29. In English 2, that note, in page number 29, yesterday, I told you to write one page. Did you finish the homework? Okay, so see here, again, see how you should write in the 4 lines. You should write in the 4 lines neatly. 4 lines neat, okay. So within the 2 lines, you write the O. Okay, children, let's first line start panni, third line panni, O-F, off. Okay, O-F, off. Now next, O-N, on. What is the next letter, children? O-N, on. O-F, off. You should write like this, O-N, on. Okay, next, O. See here, O-R, or. What is that letter, children? O-R, or. Next letter, O-X, ox. Okay, O-X, ox. O-F, off. O-N, on. O-R, or. O-X, ox. So today also, you should write the next page as homework. Okay, in the same note, page number 30, English 2 note, page number 30, the same letters are there. O-N, O-F, O-F, O-N, O-R. These letters, when you're writing, what you should do, children? O-F, off. O-F, off. O-F, off. Like that, you should spell and write. சொல்லிக்கிட்டே எழுதுங்க. ஓகேயா? சும்மா அது மேல பார்த்து அப்படியே எழுதாதீங்க. சொல்லிட்டே எழுதுங்க. O-N, on. O-N, on. Like that, you should spell and write. Okay, children? So this is one page. I gave you, yesterday I gave you one page homework. And today also I am giving one more page. You complete this page number 30 as homework. Okay. Now next what you should do is, இப்போ தமிழ்ல மிஸ் கேட்க போற கொஸ்டின், பறவைகள் பெயர்களை கூறுக. உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச பறவைகள் பெயர், பறவை என்னென்ன பறவைகள்லாம் தெரியும் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். பறவைகள் தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு. அந்த பாட்டுல வேற நம்ம நிறைய ரைம்ஸ்ல நிறைய பறவைகள் படிச்சோம். அந்த பாப்பா எந்த பறவை மாதிரி இருந்தா, எந்த பறவை மாதிரி ஆடினா, எந்த பறவை மாதிரி பாடினா, அப்படிலாம் இருக்கு. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு தெரிஞ்ச 5 பறவைகளோட பெயர்களை சொல்லுங்க. சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். மயில், குயில், காகம், கிளி, வாத்து, கொக்கு, இப்படி நிறைய பறவை, குருவி, இப்படி நிறைய பறவைகள் இருக்கு. சரியாமா? அடுத்தது உங்க வீட்டுல பாட்டி இருக்காங்களா? உங்க வீட்டுல பாட்டி இருக்காங்களா? எல்லார் வீட்லயும் பாட்டி இருக்காங்களா? சரி, பாட்டி என்ன பண்ணுவாங்க? உங்களுக்கு கதெல்லாம் சொல்லுவாங்க. வேற என்ன செய்வாங்க? உங்களுக்கு சாப்பாடுலாம் ஊட்டுவாங்க. நீங்க அவங்கள எப்படி பாத்துக்கணும்? நீங்க அவங்கள எப்படி பாத்துக்கணும்? கண்களை போல பாத்துக்கணும். நம்ம ரொம்ப ரொம்ப பத்திரமா உங்க பாட்டி தாத்தாவை பாத்துக்கணும். சரியாமா? இப்போ இந்த பாட்டை ரைட் சைடு இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லுங்க. ஓகேயா? ஒரு தடவை சொல்லலாம். தங்க பாப்பா, தங்க பாப்பா. சொல்லுங்க. பாப்பா தங்க பாப்பா, பாப்பா தங்க பாப்பா, பதுமை போன்ற பாப்பா, பதுமை போன்ற பாப்பா, கிளியை போல பேசிடுவாள், கிளியை போல பேசிடுவாள், மயிலை போல ஆடிடுவாள், மயிலை போல ஆடிடுவாள், குயிலை போல பாடிடுவாள், குயிலை போல பாடிடுவாள், முயலை போல குதித்திடுவாள், முயலை போல குதித்திடுவாள். அம்மா அப்பா இருவரிடமும், அம்மா அப்பா இருவரிடமும் அன்பை நாளும் பொழிந்திடுவாள், அன்பை நாளும் பொழிந்திடுவாள். தாத்தா பாட்டி இருவரையும், தாத்தா பாட்டி இருவரையும் கண்கள் போல காத்திடுவாள், கண்கள் போல காத்திடுவாள். சரியா? ஸோ இந்த ரைம்ஸை நீங்க நல்லா தரோவா படிச்சுக்கோங்க. இது கீழே உள்ள கொஸ்டினுக்கு நீங்க ஆன்சர் சொல்லணும். ஓகேயா? Okay children. Okay, so with this we are finishing our today's class and we'll meet tomorrow. Okay children, thank you. Bye.